Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, you know, fi too quick fi believe any and everything where people tell you about the elders them do. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, I invite you now if you just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 5, from verse 17 to verse 25. Unu fi honor and respect the elder them. We are good leader. What if them work hard for preach and teach? Unu fi honor them and pay them good too. Because God would say, you know, fi tap the axe from Nyam when him a mash out the grain. And the people them will work fi get the money where they work for. No believe nothing bad when nobody tell you about the elder them. You fi only believe what them say. If a 2 or 3 people where the dead tell you what happen. The elder them will sin do, you fi correct them in front of everybody. You must do this for one the rest of people them. God, Jesus Christ, and the whole of the angel them where God pick and me witness. Do what me tell you for do. Do it and make sure say you treat everybody the same way. No have no favorite. No quick for put your hand on nobody and make them leader in a church. No share in a them sin, but keep yourself clean. Tap drink water one, but you fi drink little wine too. Fi help your stomach and fi make you not so sicky. Some people sin you can see so plain that nobody know if say nothing for you know say they guilty. But other people sin not so easy to see. It not sure till later. And the same with the good sin them where people do. Some of them easy to see and some not easy to see. But none of them can hide. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.